I was injured by a drunk driver in Southern California, and this accident turned my life upside down. This law firm took that bad situation and made it all better. They got me a fair settlement. They walked me through the entire process. They held my hand. They were kind, they were caring, they were loving, they were professional. They were amazing. And then the next year, that was in 2017, then in 2018, I moved to Northern California, found a cute little tiny house, and then 7 months later, when I was all settled, thinking I only had to deal with just the car accident, then the campfire came along and took everything from me, and that completely turned my world upside down. So for like the last 5 years, I've been struggling with just losses and pain and suffering and anything that you can imagine that could go into a personal injury accident and on top of a devastating wildfire. And Larry Buckley has both of my cases, and they've been there for me. But I would never have been able to go through any of this on my own. I needed somebody there for me. I needed to know that somebody cared about me, and I just know that it would have been impossible without Larry's help. He really showed me what it takes to be a good attorney. For the long time, I didn't think I was going to be okay, but he made it all better. That's for sure. Larry Buckley wasn't just my attorney, but he is actually, to this day, a friend of mine now. Somebody I can trust. I trust him. He will fight for you, and he will put everything he has into it to get results. And he always tells me, you can trust me. Definitely, you can trust him. I would highly recommend him to people out there that are looking for a good attorney, an attorney that you can trust, an attorney that's going to fight for you, an attorney that's going to be kind to you and be patient with you and respect you. He's definitely the one to choose. His entire team, they're all like Larry. They all have great work ethic and they're kind people. It's very rare in today's world that you find that. It's a great reputation, and I would definitely use his services again. When I had to have my surgery after the car accident, I was living in Northern California at the time. Surgery that I had to have was down in LA. Cassie Ramirez, she works for Larry Buckley Law Firm. She's an amazing person. She did that trip with me. She stayed with me in a hotel. She traveled with me. She sat on a plane with me to and from. I had staples up and down my back, couldn't even move. I was in terrible pain. And she was with me at the hospital, and she was with me through the whole process, almost like having a sister there. I chose this office because it was highly recommended by a friend of mine in Paradise, California. She told me that Larry Buckley was the best attorney in Northern California. Larry Buckley and his entire team at this office are very professional, they're very kind, they're very caring, and they're very, very eager to help you.